Are you looking for the best Mini ITX PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best Mini ITX PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Silverstone Technology Subo 14 SG14 White Mini ITX PC Cases. The Subo 14 Mini ITX PC case may not be the easiest we built in, but its moderate price and support for lots of power parts make the purchase, and the pre-build planning, worthwhile. Supports 3-slot full-length graphics cards with adjustable graphics card holder. Compatible with Mini DTX/Mini ITX motherboard and ATX PSU. Supports up to 240mm radiators. Modular design with 4 removable panels, top, left, right, bottom. Different configurations support various storage components for 5.25-inch, 3.5 and 2.5. Front I/O port includes USB 3.0x2, USB 2.0x1, Combo Audio X1. Number 2. Corsair ICU E2000D RGB Airflow Mini ITX PC Case. It's pricey in its RGB configuration, but Corsair's 2000D RGB Airflow is the best performing super small footprint case we've tested of late. A fitting choice, house today's highest-end PC hardware in a space-saving design ideal for small form factor builds, with abundant airflow thanks to removable mesh panels and premium Corsair build quality, in a case that's small in size and big on cooling performance. Mini ITX form factor with just 24.4 liters of volume takes up a tiny amount of space on or under your desktop, with dimensions of 271mm x 200mm x 458mm. Removable steel mesh front, side, and roof panels deliver plentiful ventilation from nearly all sides of your system for maximum cooling potential. Comfortably install a 3-slot graphics card up to 320mm in length, for a high-end, high-performance system taking up minimal space. A cooling-optimized interior fits up to an incredible 8x 120mm or 2x 140mm fans, along with multiple radiators including a 360mm on the side and 240mm in the back, dependent on GPU size. Superior cooling for its size. Ultra-tight footprint. Compatible with other ICU devices. Big GPU vertical installation without a riser cable. Support for very large radiators. Slim RGB fans and an ARGB controller included. Number 3. Thermaltake Oine Elite White Mini ITX PC Case. A moderate price helps justify several small flaws in the Thermaltake Oine Elite, a small footprint mini tower for Mini ITX builds that you can even place on the floor. Design art in its best by Thermaltake. The Oine Elite is designed to fulfill a smallest case built with max possibility of high-end, gaming, and standard components, such as Intel i9/i7 and AMD AM4 CPUs. Oine Elite supports Mini ITX motherboards, a maximum of 7 fans including 2x12025/2x14025 fan on the side, 240mm radiator, 1x12025 fan at the bottom, pre-installed, 2x12025/2x14025 fan at the front, 1x12025/1x14025 fan at the rear, 1x8025 fan on the top. 3.5 foot x 3 HDD or 5 x 2.5 HDD/SSD, full-size VGA cards, 320mm/3 slots, compatibility, ATX/EPS PSU compatibility. Oine Elite, the perfect partner for small form factor built and gaming enthusiasts. Ultra small footprint. Stylish ARGB base. Standard ARGB input and pass-through. Number 4. InWin-B1 Mesh Mini ITX Chassis. Want to build an inexpensive, super compact PC to use as a media center, a productivity partner, or a design statement? Few PC cases do it better than InWin's Mini ITX B1 and look as good doing it. The perforated mesh panel increases airflow and optimizes thermal efficiency. The depth of the chassis allows approximately 60mm for heatsink clearance, granting enough room for most AMD and Intel coolers. Use the B1 mesh to match your lifestyle. Set up your PC vertically or horizontally. Stand it up and use it as a headphone stand. The B1 mesh comes with a custom Inwing 200W80 plus gold certified PSU. It's designed specifically for the B1 mesh's small footprint. 3 years warranty. Strategically placed fan and dust filter provides good thermal solutions and a dust-free interior. Inexpensive. Clean, attractive design with small footprint. Can be positioned vertically or lying flat. 200W 80 plus gold power supply included in price. Tinted glass top hides wire clutter. Number 5. Silverstone Technology Mini ITX Computer Case. Barely bigger than 2 shoeboxes, Silverstone's stylish Lucid LD03 is a unique Mini ITX desktop PC case that can show off your hardware or hide everything behind its smoky glass panels. Tinted tempered glass panels for reserved or expressive styling. Super mini footprint design with no cables and vents on 4 sides for excellent integration into any computing environment. Includes two 120mm fans for excellent airflow and supports up to two 120mm radiators. Supports 2.5-inch and 3.5 drives. Mini DTX/Mini ITX motherboard and SFX/SFX LPSU compatible. Supports full-size CPU cooler and graphics cards. 3 gorgeous tempered glass panels that detach easily. Plenty of access for installing hardware. 2 included fans. Classy design can hide or showcase your hardware depending on the latter's lighting. Number 6. Thermaltake Tower 100 Mini ITX Cases. Thermaltake's Tower 100 is as much a curio cabinet for your components as a PC case. The industrial design comes in some quirky, fun colors, but it's your PC parts that are the real star of the show with this unusual chassis. The Tower 100 Mini ITX chassis is the mini version of our iconic case, the Tower 900. 4mm thick tempered glass window panels, 4mm thick tempered glass window panel at front, left, and right. Handy I/O port and unique internal design, with a high-speed Type-C connector and 2 USB 3.0. The Tower 100 supports up to 2 3.5-foot HDD or 4 2.5 SSD, include 2 bracket for 2.5 SSD at right side. Dust filter design, 8 superfine filters on the right, left, top, and at the bottom are designed to provide excellent protection against dirt and dust from the outside of the case and is easily removable for cleaning. Tempered glass on 3 sides. Fairly easy to build in. Number 7. Fantex Eclipse P200A DRGB Mini ITX Case. Fantex Eclipse P200A is a clean-looking Mini ITX case that is lightweight and can house today's biggest graphics cards, but the building experience will require some patience and finesse. Features ultra-fine performance mesh front and side panels for the highest cooling performance while showcasing your system through the tempered glass window. Spacious open interior supports ATX power supplies, triple-slot graphics cards, vertical GPU mounting support, with PHCbRSFL15, and up to 240/280mm front and 240mm side radiators. Front I/O with 10 gigabits per second USB-C Gen 2. Integrated digital RGB controller that can sync with compatible motherboards and Fantex DRGB products to create stunning lighting effects, and comes with 2x DRGB Fantex fans. Storage support for 2x 2.5-inch SSD and up to 4 HDD, with PHHDDKT_03. Compact and lightweight. Clean industrial look. Room for large GPUs despite Mini ITX form factor.